It's me again. Something I did when I went to the eco fair at the Sunken Gardens was I took Peter a beautiful, beautiful vase of collected seed heads. You've all seen the lovely foraged dried flower display that I had. So I just want you to know that right now at Enchanted Gardens, we have been collecting seed heads for years and years and years and years and years. My seed bank is full to bursting, and this is exactly what I mean. I would like to encourage you as gardeners to, instead of cutting your garden down in the winter, I want to encourage you to leave things like this Verbena bonariensis. I would recommend that you leave that as it is for as long as you can, because there will be insects in amongst the growth at the bottom. By leaving growth on top, you are protecting the crown, the growth point from the soil in which the plant grows from. Once you've enjoyed the seed heads, and these are still ish in flower, you can collect free seed. So free seed is, this is Oenothera, evening primrose. And we collect this, dry it, and take the fresh seed. And this is Eryngium planum. Now, if you catch these when they're still blue stemmed and blue flowered, nothing beats a Christmas vase jam-packed with free seed, because it's come from your garden. You can always spray with glitter or silver, gold, red, any colour, and create the most imaginative, beautiful displays for Christmas time, for presents. They're so cheap. They're just free. They're just really easy. And then the other side of that is you've got your free seed, and you can sow this in a propagator the very next spring. Most of our sowing starts in late February, early March for my perennials. So we'll be removing these seed heads, getting the seed out. They'll all be labelled, obviously. It's a grand operation here. And we're going to be having free plants. Now, you can't do this with everything. So this is something you can't do that with. This is an agapanthus. So really, I would put this in a vase, and I would put the allium flowers in a vase, but I wouldn't recommend trying to grow. I've actually got a ladybird going to hibernate in this plant. This is where the seeds are. Now, if I waited for this to be ripe and the seeds to be able to be harvested, to grow an actual agapanthus in flower is going to take years. And that's why I leave bulb propagation in getting them from seed to absolute specialists who do that. What I would do, because I can't wait years and years and don't really have very much success with this, I would then divide those that I can't. But if you sprayed these gold or silver or blue, what a fabulous thing to have as a vase decoration at Christmas time. So, collect some seeds. They're yours, they're free. It seems ridiculous to buy another half a dozen Gora or another half a dozen Rudbeckia next year to fill gaps where you've lost plants. When you've got your own seed, it's free. Please try. I'm going to do lots and lots of workshops to help you to do this next year. I'm going to be doing so many workshops. I'm going to be really busy and my voice is going to go. So good job I eat so much honey to soothe my throat. Things are going to get better. We are going to have a more sustainable way of continuing our gardening. Incidentally, the seeds on this, Verbena bonariensis, I've known a seed tray sit there for 8 months. You get 3, you get a big gap, you get 20, then you get a big gap. Seed growing is so exciting because sometimes they don't behave as they should. And it is exciting and it's interesting. And the bottom line is you grew that plant and there's nothing like it. Take care. Bye-bye.